Good morning, everyone. I hope your Sunday morning is treating you well and you got to sleep in because I didn't. Well, nothing new there. Anyway, if you haven't seen my previous videos for this chocolate series, I will put a link up above. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And away we go. This mix is a little strange. There's a little story. I started out with blueberries and white chocolate. I made the mix, did a tester, all that stuff, and I tried it. And the first thing I thought of or came to my mind is it needed gingerbread. Don't ask me what I was thinking, but it worked. So I called this BooBerry, but I may change the name because that was all that came up to my head anyway. But so the ingredients for this recipe are we're gonna be dumb today. Oh, it was working a minute ago. Anyway, flavor bilberry burn thing, and we'll be using that at 0.5%. And the next one is TFA Blueberry Wild, and we will be using that at 4%. And then Capella Gingerbread, and we will be using that at 3%. And then of course you can't have blueberries and chocolate without the chocolate, and what goes better with blueberries than TFA white chocolate, and we will be using that at 5%. And of course, you know, I'm a safety girl, so we need protection. Yes, we don't want 100 milligram nicotine on our skin, so I'll wear protection. Yes. Anyway, so we are going to get going here. And of course, you know the drill. You're going down. Let's go. Okay, and I shall move some stuff over here. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is turn the machine on, of course. And tear out our stuff. Okay, and so for the nicotine, I'm doing a 6 milligram. I'm only going to make a 15 mil for myself today, but okay. And of course, you shake. Gotta shake. Okay. So for 15 mils, I'm going to be using 1.13 grams. And I always keep telling people that I add Nick first. A lot of people don't. But yesterday, I was mixing and got a little crazy with my squeezy bottle here. And sure enough, I definitely overpoured. I ended up with like almost 4 grams of nicotine. So thankfully, because nicotine went in first, I was able to yank it back out again. Some people like to live dangerously. I don't like to waste nicotine because here in Canada, this stuff is ridiculous. Oh shoot, wrong bottle. Okay, I'm not paying attention. Okay, PG 2.73. Okay, and my VG, like I said, this is only going to be a 15, is 12.11. And next Sunday, I've got a really easy peasy mix for even beginners. You don't even have to buy much. And it is tasty. I'm not telling you though. So you better stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the little bell so you'll be notified when I upload a video. Okay, it's a little cold in here. My VG's a little thick. Come on. Yes, we have snow and it's not melting. Okay. Okay, there we go. Alrighty. And there. Okay, so our first flavor up. I'm sorry you couldn't see this. I don't know if I can fix this. It doesn't really want to focus on. That's F.A. Bilberry. Okay. And using this was at 0.5, so it's like 0.08. And I don't know, for new beginners, when I get out all my flavors out, I line them up in the order of the recipe so you don't accidentally grab the wrong one. Okay, next one up is Blueberry Wild at 4%, and it's going in at 0.6. Okay, and next one is Gingerbread. It sounds weird, and when you first taste it, you're gonna go, what was she thinking? I did the same thing after I put the gingerbread in, but I couldn't stop vaping it. It was like crazy. It just kept getting better and better, and it's like, oh my god. So anyway, it sounds weird, but it's tasty. And this was at 3%. It's going in at 0.47. And last, of course, but not least, is the TFA white chocolate. And it's going in at 5% at 0.75. Now, this isn't a strong chocolate. It kind of, it adds more of a creaminess, really. You get a hint of chocolate, but it's not really overpowering. And I don't think really like a dark chocolate, or even like you could try milk chocolate, but I really don't think that it would be very good. I think the white chocolate just complements it so well. Anyway, and that's our mix for flavors, and we're rocking it. And of course, we got to get the handy dandy. Just move that aside. The handy dandy buzzer. Oh, better not do that. I did that yesterday. There we go. Sorry about that. And I suggest for this one, a minimum of 7 days. Oh, that smells good. It smells weird, but it smells good. I know what it tastes like. Anyway, so for this mix, I suggest minimum 7 days. You could vape it at 7 days, but I like the gingerbread to calm down a little bit. So I'm just going to get a bottle here. This is just little 15 ml bottles that I have, little glass ones. I don't like to steep in plastic. I like to put them in glass. Oops, almost dropped that sucker. And of course, again, I don't have my little spatula, but oh well, we can live without it today. Okay. there you have it. Zippy's BooBerry. And of course, and first of all, going up, there we go. Hi there. I'll put a link for the recipe in the description box down below, and any other link that I have, I will put in the description box below. And please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like bell or button. Oh yeah, it is Sunday morning. If you like the video, and I'm still waiting for somebody to come back and comment on one of my recipes, please let me know what you think. I'm interested. Even if you don't like the recipe, please comment so I know at least somebody's trying them. Okay. Anyway, I hope the rest of your day is grand and you have a good weekend. Bye.